Hey guys,
Hi,
I'm Lucas,
and I'm Alex.
and we are the team at the Language Co-op.
And today we're bringing you another cooking video. In one of our audio lessons, we talked about bringing Spam Musubi to a potluck.
Spam Musubi is a popular snack in the US state of Hawaii. When I used to live in Hawaii, I learned how to make Spam Musubi. So today, we are going to show you how to make this delicious treat.
So are you ready? Most local families in Hawaii have their own variation of Spam Musubi. We are going to show you the most basic version. Here's what we need: sugar, soy sauce, seaweed, Spam, and cooked white rice.
First, let's prepare our main ingredient, the Spam. So Spam always comes in a can, so just pop the top off. And then get the Spam out. Save the container because we will use this to mold our Spam Musubi later. So put that aside for now. Looks good, right? Then we want to cut it lengthwise. So we can slice it into about 8 pieces. Next, let's make our sauce. First, take a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And pour it into the bowl. You will also need about a 1/4 cup of sugar. You don't need to do too much with your seaweed sheet, but you do have to cut it in half. So you can just fold the pieces in half, because this we will use to wrap our Spam Musubi. In total, you'll need 8, 1 per each slice of Spam. Now it's time to fry our Spam. Lay the 8 slices of Spam onto your frying pan. You want to fry the Spam on each side for 1 to 2 minutes, or until it's lightly brown. Once your Spam is a nice golden brown, go ahead and add the sauce. You want the Spam to soak in the sauce for a couple minutes. Once the Spam is coated in the sauce and the liquid is almost fully absorbed, take the Spam out and put it on a plate. Now that all of our ingredients are ready, it's time to assemble our musubi. Many people have their own molds to make the Spam Musubi, but as I said in the beginning of the video, we're just going to use the Spam can. So take your Spam can and put a piece of plastic wrap, or in my case, a plastic bag, into the can. Then take a small or medium scoop of rice and put it into the can. Using a spoon, gently press the rice down into the can so it's the shape of the Spam. You don't want to press it too hard because you don't want to smash the rice, but you want to press it hard enough that it sticks together and actually takes on the shape of the can. Once your rice is ready, take a slice of your Spam and place it on top of the rice. It should fit perfectly. press it down. And then pull your musubi out. Now that we have the rice and Spam ready, all we have to do is wrap it up with our seaweed. So take your piece of seaweed and wrap your Spam and rice with the seaweed, with the shiny side up. To make the seaweed stick a little bit better, you can add a little bit of water. And there you have it, a Spam Musubi. Okay, Alex, are you ready to try the Spam Musubi?
I am so ready.
You do the honors.
It's all for me.
You have to share.
Okay.
But you go first.
Okay, thanks. Mmm.
How is it?
Salty.
Salty?
Sweet.
Sweet?
I love it.
Good. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we hope that you too try making Spam at home.
For more tips and resources, please check out our website. And don't forget to comment below about what you think about Spam Musubi.
See you next time.
Bye.